Here. Look.
You need to get where I
You're
am.
gonna be like that big, right there.
Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
Okay, you see
Hang on.
that?
Hang on.
Serena, how do
You
you
just
want it?
hold this side. I'm not doing
Hey, I'm-
anything. I'm not doing
Josh,
anything.
don't
As long
push
as you
down.
get it, I don't care.
Don't push down. I'm about to.
Don't push down. Okay, y'all got it?
Yes.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now cut down, but don't take your knives out. Leave it there.
Dad's gonna take it out.
What do you think? I'm telling you, boy. Schneiders do boys right here. Right here.
Not always.
You got the paper.
I told y'all.
Landon!
I told you.
I never heard of that before.
Isn't that neat? Okay, now I want some cake.
Madeline, are you okay?
So is this Landon we're talking
Landon
about?
Landon.
Landon
Oh, that's his name.
Oh, I like
I didn't want
that.
it to be a boy.
You don't hear that.
Landon Mann. So you got one man.
Derek, can we eat it in a minute? Miss
Sure,
Peter,
y'all cut it.
Miss
Hang
Serena,
on.
we're gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it.
little
Can I
wrap
go, Ashley? Can I go?